Hello all. Today we'll be making momos in two ways. I'll be showing you how to make steamed momos and fried momos. So let's get started. We'll first prepare the dough. For preparing the dough, I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I have added 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. We add baking powder so that the momos doesn't become chewy. Now let's add water and start kneading. The dough we prepare for momos should be a bit tight, so be very careful when you add water. I'm adding 8 teaspoons of water first. As you knead with your hands, you might be tempted to add more water, but as you go on kneading, you will find that it is not necessary. I'm adding 1 more teaspoon water so that the dough is perfect. Now we need to knead the dough for about 10 minutes. I have been kneading it for about 10 minutes now. The dough is soft. Now we need to rest the dough for a minimum of 1 hour. So let's leave it to rest in an airtight container. In the time being, we will prepare the stuffing. We can make any kind of stuffing for this. I'm doing a simple stuffing here. For that, I have taken 1/4 cup of chicken and have sliced mushrooms also. Both of them have been cut into small pieces. We also need 1 teaspoon of onion and 1 teaspoon red peppers. Heat up a pan, add 1 teaspoon sunflower oil. When it's hot, add the onions and peppers. Saute it for about 2 minutes and then add the chicken and mushrooms. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt. I'm also adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now the chicken and mushrooms are cooked well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. I'm adding half a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can add garlic paste instead. Add half teaspoon of soya sauce. Saute it well until it is nice and dry. Now keep it aside for cooling. Our dough has been resting for 1 hour now. I have already put some flour on my workspace. Let's take small portions of the dough and roll them into small round sheets. Make sure when you roll that the sheets are not too thick or thin. Now let's see how to add the filling and shape the momos. We can shape the momos in different ways. I'll show you how to make 2 shapes. Apply water on the edges of the sheet. Add in the filling. Fold it to one side. Press on the edges so that it stays in place. Now bend it like this and press the edges. This is one kind of shape. For the second type, after brushing the edges with water, stuff it with the filling and then start making pleats. After that, give it a twist and then press them. Now I'll shape all the momos similarly and show you. I have the steamer ready. Place the momos on a steamer like this. I have applied oil on the steamer plate to avoid sticking. Now steam them for 5 minutes. Our steamed momos are ready. Steamed momos are really yummy. It can be served with green chutney. Now let's see how to make the fried momos. Heat up a pan, add 2 teaspoon oil to it. When the oil is hot, reduce the flame to medium and get the steamed momos fried. Turn the momos every now and then and get all the sides browned. The fried momos are ready now. This, I must tell you, is a really tasty snack. Give it a try and let me know your comments in the comment box. So until we meet again with a new recipe, bye.